This week, Trump administration witnessed two legal setbacks. First, Trump's decision to freeze $2.2 billion in grants for Harvard University that was ruled unlawful by a federal court judge. Second, his tariffs were legally challenged and the courts had ruled that the tariffs were illegal. The tariffs that he has been imposing on his allies, they are illegal is what the court said. So he has now taken the case ahead to the Supreme Court. Here's what he said.
A major twist in the global trade landscape. Donald Trump's signature tariffs have been announced illegal by U.S. appeals courts, sparking a high-stakes Supreme Court showdown. The court found that Trump overstepped presidential powers under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, declaring these sweeping levies, especially those on imports from the EU, Japan, and other nations, a congressional prerogative, not an executive privilege. Trump has now petitioned the Supreme Court to reverse the lower court's ruling, arguing that the president must retain broad tariff powers for effective diplomacy and national security. Trump warned and said, "If we do not win this case, our country is going to endure tremendous suffering." He stressed that the tariffs had strengthened America's position and generated leverage in trade talks. The economic implications are huge. If the Supreme Court finds the tariffs illegal, Trump says the U.S. could be forced to unwind major trade deals with Europe, Japan, and South Korea, potentially losing billions negotiated under the threat of tariffs. And what happens to the billions already collected? Legal experts say importers may demand refunds, leading to uncertainty around government revenues and throwing supply chains into chaos. For now, tariffs remain in effect until at least October 14th as the Supreme Court review proceeds. If Trump loses, expect massive ripples, potential refunds, renegotiated deals, and a full-scale policy rethink. This is being watched closely by business and world leaders, with many warning that such an outcome could also drive up inflation and destabilize markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.